10. Good afternoon, my dear student of class 10. We are in the compulsory mathematics and we are in the day 21 today. Yes, and now we are in the chapter mensuration. Yes, and we have done the lots of the question in this chapter, and today I have written the 2 questions in the whiteboard and we are going to solve the such 2 questions of the cylinder chapter. No? Yes, and once again I want to repeat you that yes, in the cylinder chapter, yes, as I already told you that means what we are going to what look in the given there is radius and height is there or not. Yes, we are going to look for that, and here in the that means what in the question, in the given question, if there is, then easily we can find TSA, that means total surface area, curved surface area, area of the base, and the volume of the any cylinder. Yes, and we have also discussed about the hollow type of the cylinder also, about its formula also. Yes or no? So this question number first, it is the type of that. Yes. Now look the question number first. It is given that a hollow cylindrical copper pipe is 21 meter long. Its outer and inner diameter are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the volume of the copper used in making pipe. That means what we are going to find the volume of the copper used while making that type of the pipe. That means this is the diameter is given. Yes, that is D is given. Yes, so at first what is given, on the basis of that we are going to do. So for the 1 number solution, look that. Yes, question number 1 solution. Yes, what is given there at first? So in the given, it is given that means a cylindrical copper wire is 21 meter long. Long means what? It is the height. Yes, that is the height. Yes, so we have the height of the copper. Denotes as the length as a h. So let's write length of copper pipe. Copper pipe, we denote it as h, and that is 21 meter. Yes or no? And it is other unit. Look here, they are in the centimeter. That's why let's convert that also in centimeter. So while converting that is what 21 into 100. We get what 2100 centimeter. This is yes, that is easier enough. And now then after the outer and inner diameter are given. That means what outer D and inner D is given. Yes, and outer D, outer diameter is denoted by capital D. This is 10 centimeter, and then inner diameter, that is small d, is 6 centimeter respectively, and we are going to find the volume of the copper pipe volume. Yes, that means copper used in making that pipe. We are going to find that volume. So from this diameter we are going to find the radius as first. So outer diameter with capital D, so we are going to find the outer radius. Outer radius denoted by capital R, that is D by 2. We get what 10 by 2 equals to 5 centimeter. Similarly, yes, the inner radius is small r equals to D by 2. We get what 6 by 2, that means what 3 centimeter. Yes or no? And now as we know that, now we are going to find the volume of copper used. Copper used, that is V equals to what? Yes or no? This is the what we are going to find. And as we know that, look here in the figure. Yes, let's draw one figure of the such hollow type. This is the outer one, let's suppose, and one inner cylindrical shape here. Like this. This is yes or no? So the radius of this also and the radius of this also. That means what? Outer is with capital R and this is small r is given, and we are going to find the volume of such things. No? That means the metal used in here. Yes, we are going to find. and if you subtract, that means the volume of capital one, that is big cylinder with the small cylinder, then we get the volume of the such big cylinder. Yeah, and in the hollow also we have, that means we have the directly formula, and we are going to use that formula. No? That is capital R minus small r by doing that. Yes, so let's do that. That means we are going to add here. We know that, yes, volume of copper used equals to, yes, we have the volume formula pi r square h, and here r is capital R minus small r pi h, and then capital R minus small r. This is the formula. Yes, we are going to apply, and let's put the value. Pi is 22 by 7, and h we have 2100 into radius capital R is 5 square, and small r is 3 square. This is, we get such. Yes, thereafter 22 by 7. Let's divide them. 7 on the 7 3 there. So we get 300 over here, and we get what? 22 into 300 into, and let's square up this 25 minus 9. Yes or not? And when we multiply this, we get what? 6600 into, and 25 minus 9 is what? Let's do with the help of calculator. We get what? 16. Yes or not? And let's multiply. Let's do it up. That means with 66 with 16. 6 6 are 36, 3. 6 6 are 36, 3, 39. Yes, and then 1 are with 66, 6, 5, 1 carry over, and we get 1056. This is another. So when we multiply that, we get 1056, and since it is volume, so that's why, and all units are centimeter, that's why centimeter cube. This is the required volume. Yes, this is the required volume for the, yes, that's why. And sorry, I have 1056 just for this, and 2 zeros are remain here, no? That's why we have forgot that. So 0 and 0, and these are in the cube centimeter, that's why centimeter cube. This is the required answer, no? Yes, so this is the required answer. Or we can convert this into also meter also, and while converting that, we are going to divide with 100, that means what? 10,000, no? Yes or no? And we can write up to this, and directly, and lastly we are going to write therefore the volume of copper used, therefore the volume of copper used in making pipe is 1 lakh, yes, 5,600. This is a centimeter cube in the centimeter cube. This is, yes, this is the required solution for the first one. Yes or not? And this is the hollow type. Yes, this is clear or not? Thus the length, that is the height is given, and outer and inner diameter. With the help of outer and inner diameter, we get the outer radius and inner radius. Yes. After finding them, we can easily apply the formula of that, no? Yes, or separately also we can do, but it takes the time. Yes, our speed, that is what our steps increases. But we have directly such formula. We have already written that, yes, and that's why we are going to apply such. Yes or no? So this is the required answer for the question number first. Now we are going to do the question number second. And in the question number second, look the question at first. It is given that, yes, so look the question. It is given that the diameter of the garden is given, yes, the diameter of garden is given, yes or not, and it is 2 meter long. That means the roller is 2 meter long, and its diameter is given. That is diameter of the garden roller is 1.4. Yes, if you draw the roller like this, that is a cylindrical type. a type of roller. Yes, it's the diameter, that means what? This D is given. Yes, and it is 2 meter long. This means this length is given 2 meter, no? And this is 1.4 meter. Yes, both unit are in meter. No need to change into other unit. Yes, and how much area will it cover in 10 revolution? That means what? When we regulate it 10 times. Yes, when we regulate it one time, that means what? Area of this part or not? This part. Yes, so area of this part, that is one revolution. We find the area of that is CS7, no? So don't forget that. Yes, when the revolution time, that is what we have to think. When we rotate that, that means surface area, no? Sorry, curved surface area. Yes, so one time we get the CSA and 10 times means 10 into that CSA, no? So when we roll and roll up to 10 times, that means the area covered by that guardian roller, it is said. Yes, so at first we are going to find the CSA, and CSA means the area of one revolution. Yes or no? And that's it. Yes, so question number 2 solution. In the solution number question 2 is given that, so what is given there at first look that in the given the diameter of the guardian roller, diameter is given, diameter of guardian roller, that is we denote with D. This is 1.4 meter. Yes, and if D is given, then we are going to find the radius of guardian roller with is small, that is D by 2, 1 by 4 upon 2, we get 0.7 meter. This is another. Yes, and now we have the length of guardian roller, and we are going to denote it as H, and this is the 2 meter. Yes, and how much in 10 revolution? Area covered by covered by 10 revolution equals to what? It is said. Yes, yes or no? And now we have, that means what? One revolution means CSC. Yes or no? We know that area covered by one revolution equals to CSA of cylinder. This is our nut, and let's find that CSA is curved surface area. We have the formula 2 into, sorry, we have 2 pi rh. This is the formula. Let's put them. 2 into 22 by 7, and r we have 0.7 into h we have 2. 7 1 7 1, that is what? 0.1. And when we multiply all this with the help of the calculator, then we get what? 8.8 meter. Yes, area is that's a meter square. This is another. So this is the area covered by one revolution, but we are going to find the area covered by 10 revolution. Yes, therefore area covered by 10 revolution equals to 10 into 8.8. That is what? 88 meter square. This is the required answer, no? Yes or no? And lastly, we are going to write the conclusion answer. Therefore, yes, the area covered by 10 revolution of guardian roller is 88 meter square. This is, yes, in this way we have completed this. Yes or no? Yes or no? So such types of the question might also ask in the exam. Yes, and they are important too also. Yes, and we get confused. It is the regulation type, and we have not discussed such type of the question. Yes or no? So be careful. That means one regulation, that is the CSC argument, and 10 regulation means into 10. Yes or no? And we did that. Yes or no? So in this way, we have completed the question number 2 solution also. So that means what in this chapter, that is cylinder. Yes, such types of the question for the exam point of view, they are going to ask in SE also, or 10 marks. Sorry, for 4 marks. That is group C. Yes. If, and we can draw the figure also if necessary. That means what? It is not necessary, but if you want, then you can draw the figure also. That means. Thank you.